I'm scared of that.
We're not telling them.
It's an airplane, Billy. Wait, what is it? What is it? It's an airplane? How are you scared of that?
It sounded weird.
I'm going to tell them, I'm going to go, well, let me go some lunch down here.
Okay.
Billy. Call doing that.
No.
Oh, really?
The laughing one is the funniest one. I don't know which one it is.
Look what he said. He's like, I shouldn't have said anything.
Oh, I found it! I found it! I know, I saw. Oh, listen to this. It sounds like Bowser. This is a fun video. Having fun?
I'm yelling at Alejandro, so I'm having a great time. Do you know what really pisses me about him? How he like takes forever to type. It's like only 2 words.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, where's the O? Can I check my bio?
Go ahead. I like the laughing one.
No, like.
Go to,
How do you get to a woman scream to a wolf scream to a woman scream?
I feel like having too much. Damn!
When I leave, I'm just going to do this.
Okay, go. Do it right now. Can you exit me?
Yeah. Oh, that's what he says. For some odd reason, that face always I think it's a happy face, you know?
Yeah, I thought that was a happy face too, but it's not. It's a face.
Like, why face?
Can't wait to eat Cuban food tomorrow. Their food is so good.
Let's have what you hit. How funny is that?
Sebastian has a girlfriend now.
No, it's his guy girlfriend.
Wow.
He got married to someone completely different like last week. I was invited to the wedding. What do you want to do?
I'm having fun. I want to play Sims on the big screen.
No, let's do that. I'll close out.
Wait, just open up the Sims.